Today I bring you another smartphone. It's the Oppo Reno4 Z 5G. It's a mid-range smartphone with top technology. It's suitable for professionals and leisure, with 8GB of memory, 128GB of storage, a 48 megapixel camera, records in 4K and has 5G network. Ideal for any user. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week and bring new devices to the channel. This is Oppo's mid-range model. It is good for professionals and more than enough for the general public, and even good to play games. This smartphone allows you to upgrade to Android 12 or higher, and it has the ColorOS 11.1 interface. The screen takes up almost the entire phone. It has a very small edge. On the right side there is a power button, which is a fingerprint reader to unlock the phone. I've already pressed the button, so it's already starting. On the top there's a hole for the microphone. It also has an audio speaker to listen to phone calls. On the left side it has two buttons to control the sound volume. It also has a slot for the communications cards, which you need to use the metallic tool to remove. Then just pull and you can see it has a space to place two cards. Let's put it back together. On the bottom it has a 3.5mm audio connection, a microphone, a USB Type-C plug and the audio speakers. On the front it has two front cameras on the corner, and at the back it has four cameras with a LED light. And physically, these are the characteristics of this smartphone, the Oppo Reno4 Z 5G. This is a very powerful phone, great for work, production and leisure. But let's see the specs. About the memory, it has 8GB of memory, 128GB of storage with UFS. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 800 5G processor with 8 cores, one GPU ARM Mali G57 MC4. It has 4 rear cameras. The main is a 48 megapixel wide camera, another 8 megapixel camera ultra wide 190 degree, and 2 megapixel depth cameras, capable of recording in 4K at 30 FPS and HDR. It also has 2 front cameras, one 16 megapixel wide and another 2 megapixel depth, capable of recording in 180p. The screen has a diagonal of 6.57 inches with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. 480 nits IPS LCD screen with Gorilla Glass 3 Plus protection. It measures 164mm wide, 75mm height and 8mm thick, and weighs 184 grams. It has the connectivity USB Type-C 2.0 for data and power, a 3.5mm plug for headphones, 2 nano SIM cards, 5G and 4G network, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS and NFC card reader. It has several sensors, fingerprint reader on the power button, camera with facial recognition, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass. The battery is not removable, but it has a power of 4000 mAh, charging via USB-C with a 18-watt charger and an autonomy of 78 hours in use. And for now, that's all I have to say about the specifications and technology of this smartphone, but there will be more demonstrations and tests of this phone. This is a smartphone with very good specifications, but it's not perfect. But I will show you everything, from unboxing, technology analysis, connectivity, speed and battery tests, and how to repair, so you can decide if you should buy this smartphone. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any question, write in the comments.